3, 2, 1.
Grow with Servizify, ELT Hub.
Learning English can open doors to exciting new career opportunities. Ready to unlock new opportunities at work? Let's get started. Learning with our exclusive online course, designed specifically for workers, you'll gain the skills you need to communicate confidently in any professional setting. Imagine negotiating deals, writing emails, and conducting meetings, all in English. Our course is flexible, allowing you to learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. Boost your resume, impress your boss, and connect with international clients. This is your chance to shine and advance your career.
Sign up for Bright.
Future. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer. Start learning English for work now. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. Let's make your career dreams a reality.
For more updates and information, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.